Hey sweet friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Sel. Today's video is all new grocery haul plus fridge restock and freezer organization. We just did our grocery shopping from Walmart and Sam's Club, and I'll be showing you what we got and how I put away everything, cleaning and organizing the kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful with all the restocking and kitchen organization ideas from here. Let's clean together and organize with me. Alright you guys, so this is everything that we got for this grocery haul. I'm going to show you first what we got here, non-food items. So you see like detergent, power wash, soap, dryer sheets, my moisturizer, this is what I use. And baby oil, I actually use this for our floor to give it a little shine. And there's that. And then for over here, we have some veggies here. I'm not gonna go on every single one of them. You can see which ones are them. I did pick up some of the baby potatoes and the carrots here because I wanted to make stew. Bananas here, some dairy product and ice cream. It's like really hot here in Las Vegas now, so we have a lot of ice cream here. Milk, this is the milk that I use, and the expiration date on this is really good, usually a couple months. So we usually pick up a lot of that because these are out of stock often, wherever we go, like Walmart or Smith's. Some frozen items here. We have again, like I said, dairy like yogurt, cheese, butter, some jellies, meats, frozen green beans, some bread over here. These burritos, my son really likes this. It's a bean and cheese burrito. We have tortilla up there, and then we have some meats here. We have Thai here. I usually like to portion the meat when I get big ones like this. This eats a lot, so I'd portion this in two, so there's like pretty much two entry or dinner for this. We also have some chicken breast here. So like I said, this is Thai. We have some ground pork here, Cornish hen. We have some breakfast sausage, some bacon, ground beef, salmon over there. And then we have some beef right here, chuck roast and steak on the bottom. We have some canned goods here and other like pantry items, spread. My son likes Nutella. I like to use this with banana. Puri ang banana. My son actually has been liking the jelly and Nutella combo on a sandwich. So it's like peanut butter and jelly, but it's Nutella and jelly, which is, he said it was really good. I've never tried it. I usually like almond butter and jelly. But yeah, he likes that one. We got some more mayo and gravy over there. Some cup noodles. Like I said, frozen items over there. Some tomato sauce and salsa, breakfast bowl over there, cereal, crackers. My husband eats a lot of crackers, so we got a lot of crackers here, pasta, some snacks over there like the fig bar, Slim Jim, chips over here, and then cup noodles over there. Also, I want to quickly mention, have you seen these at Sam's Club? They don't have this all the time. This is like a seasonal thing. And if you like spicy, this spicy chicken breast, it's like a chicken fries. What says there? It's so good, you guys. I only saw this like one time at Walmart last year, and I was able to pick up one box. And then when I went back to grab more, there's no more. And I was so happy I saw this today because it is good, you guys. So if you haven't tried this and you like chicken fries or spicy food, this is good. Try it. Another thing, if you haven't tried this butterfly shrimp, I got this from Sam's Club and it's so good. I usually don't get like a lot of fry food like this, or like especially shrimp, because usually there's more breading than the shrimp, but this one is not. There's a lot of shrimp in here and I really like this. My husband liked this as well. I like spicy food, if you haven't noticed. So this sweet and spicy beef jerky from Sam's Club is one of my favorite snack. It's so good. This is my favorite granola to use for the Greek yogurt that I have over there. I put this on top, and then sometimes I even add fruits on them, and it's so good, you guys. I usually take this to work for when I go on my break, or even when I'm home. I eat this for breakfast with yogurt, like I said, and then some fruits, and it's really delicious. So this is pretty much everything that we got, and I'm going to put them away now. Okay, so I wanna put the ice cream first because, like I said, it's hot here. I want to make sure it wouldn't melt, so we're going to start in the freezer. But I wanted to wipe down some stuff here first. So I'm gonna take everything out, wipe them down, and then put away everything back, including the new ones that we got.
Hey, if you are new here, hello and welcome. I am so happy you're here. My name is Sel. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one sweet boy. If you like and enjoy grocery hauls plus home organization videos like this, as well as cleaning motivation and seasonal home decorating, I would love for you to stick around and join my YouTube family. I upload these kind of contents every Friday, so be sure to turn your notification bell on so you won't miss any of my future uploads.
Dance for me, easy tiger, easy, let your hair down. Come closer, let me see all your million faces and all your million mistakes. You don't need to hide. Come closer so that we can be together.
After cleaning and organizing the freezer, we are moving on in the fridge, and I'm going to take out everything that's in here so I can wipe down the shelf, and then I'll restock and organize here.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to
As you see on the bottom right side of the shelf, we have the milk and the tall juices that couldn't fit on the top side. Usually, I keep the beverage on the very top on the left side, but the milk, since it's tall, and the juice that I have here, I do keep them here. And then on the right side of the bottom shelf, I usually put like a container to put like meat that I needed to defrost and use for the next day. Now on the middle shelf, on the left side, we have like yogurts and some fruit snacks. This is pretty much like what goes here. And then on the right side of that middle shelf, we have the leftover. Sometimes we have more than leftover than what we have here, and then I just like kind of put it on the bottom side. And then like I said, on the very top shelf, we keep the beverages and also the eggs. Now, some of our meat, we do get them from Sam's Club, so it's bulk. I do separate them with these Ziploc bags so that when I need to use them or defrost them, I'm only going to be defrosting the ones that I need and not the whole like bag. Plus, it's a lot easier to store this way as well in the freezer. We do have a chest freezer that I'm going to be organizing later. I'll show you that, and where I'm going to be putting all of this meat.
Don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Chisel all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best.
So this is our chest freezer. I'm going to take out everything that's inside so that I can organize them again, and then rotate all of the food, put the new ones on the bottom and then the old ones on top, so that I can make sure we are not forgetting the old ones and that we are using those first before the new ones. That way we are not wasting any food.
You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than
If you have been following my channel for a while now, then you know that I do have a system put in this chest freezer using these baskets that I got from Walmart. But if you are new here, then I will explain it to you. For example, like this basket that I'm organizing right now, I put all of the beef and pork in this basket. And then the one in front of it, we have all of our chicken. We use a lot of chicken in this house, so that basket is like completely full. The other basket have all of the fries and other like frozen potatoes that we may have in this house. The other basket in front of the fries, we have the seafood basket, which is we have like the shrimp, fish, or whatever kind of seafood that we get that's supposed to be frozen.
At night, aligns all the shady features and all our empty worlds. Behind the scene, they're picking up the pieces of all broken hearts. But I believe in coloring the world, gotta holler to be heard in time. We can fight
When I'm putting this basket in the bins, I always make sure that the meat goes on the bottom, not only because they are heavy, but also to prevent contamination if anything happens in the freezer. Like for example, like the meat wouldn't like just accidentally defroze it for whatever reason, completely melt off on top of the veggies and the fish. So I put the meat on the bottom and then the veggies like the fries and then the fish on top of those baskets. And then I have this little basket here that came with the fridge. I usually use this to store the fried rice that we have. We always have this. We like to take this for work. It just makes our life easy and convenient. My husband and I, we both work a lot and we try to take food as much as possible at work. Well, I always do because I don't like to buy food at work. Not only it's expensive, I don't really like them. So that's what I do. And then on this side of the freezer, since I can't put another basket, I literally just put here whatever fits.
To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You, you get my heart.
I'm going to be making egg salad, so these leftover eggs in the container, I'm going to boil them and make half of a egg salad like I said, and then the other half I'll just leave it in the fridge as like hard-boiled eggs. My son loves to eat those for snack, to take to school, even for breakfast sometimes. And then I'm going to put all the new eggs that we got in the container.
Make a beat, sing a tune, giving my life this whole groove. You, get my heart in trouble. We all behold how our fates are growing, and when we come to life, and I believe in coloring the world, gotta holler to be heard in time. We can fight back, ready to go right back. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You get my heart in trouble. Make a beat, sing a tune, giving my life this whole groove. You, get my heart in trouble. Tonight I wanna hide away, and I can feel us flowing. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You, get my heart in trouble. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You get my heart in trouble. Make a beat, sing a tune, giving my life this whole groove. You, get my heart in trouble. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You, get my heart in trouble.
I usually get prepackaged yogurt. I really like the Chobani strawberry banana Greek yogurt, but lately I have been just like getting this big one and then pre-packing them. I like to take this to work every single day, so this makes my life easy because it's ready to go. Even like sometimes for breakfast when I don't work and I don't know what I'm going to eat, or like I just don't feel like making breakfast and I just want to eat something really fast for snack, I like this because like I said, it's ready to go. It's a healthy option, so I've been doing this and it's working really great.
At night aligns all the shady features and all our empty worlds. Behind the scene, they're picking up the pieces of all broken hearts. But I believe in coloring the world, gotta holler to be heard in time. We can fight back, ready to go right back. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. We all behold how our fates are growing, and when we come to life. And I believe in coloring the world, gotta holler to be heard in time. We can fight back, ready to go right by. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You, oh, 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 you get my heart in trouble. Make a beat, sing a tune, giving my life this whole groove. You, oh, 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 get my heart in trouble. Tonight I wanna hide away.
In this cabinet, we have all of our canned goods and sauces, so I'm just going to be rotating them. Once again, putting the new ones in the back and then the old ones at the front, checking expirations, restocking, organizing.
And I can feel us flowing to the sky, to the moon, and making my skyline brand new. You, oh, oh, get my heart in trouble. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You, oh, 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 you get my heart in trouble. Make a beat, sing a tune, giving my life this whole groove. You, oh, 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 get my heart in trouble. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You, oh, oh, get my heart in trouble.
Moving on in our cabinet pantry, it's not too bad in here, so I'm pretty much just refilling and restocking.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising. And let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with
I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home or your to-do list of house chore, as well as give you an idea on how to organize your own fridge, freezer, and pantry. And if I did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It does help support my channel and lets me know you want more videos like this. Comment down below and share this to your friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. It's free, and turn your notification bell on so you won't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching and spending time with me today. I truly appreciate you, and I will talk to y'all again on my next video. Bye, friends.